Welcome to Statistical Observatory. Welcome to another statistical journey. Welcome to the world of data visualization, where information transforms into insight and numbers come to life. In an era driven by data, the ability to convey complex information clearly and effectively is a crucial skill for data analysts, researchers, academicians, administrators, and professionals from diverse fields. Smart Strategy for Tabular Data Visualization is your gateway to mastering the art of transforming rows and columns into compelling visual stories. In a world inundated with data, the ability to distill meaning from vast datasets is invaluable. As a data analyst, your insights can drive informed decision-making. As a researcher, your findings can change the trajectory of your field. As an academician, your teaching can become more engaging and impactful. As an administrator, your reports can drive organizational success. This video is created to equip the viewers with the knowledge and tools necessary to not only create aesthetically pleasing visuals but also to ensure that visualizations are informative, insightful, and actionable. We will delve into the strategic steps/guidelines of data visualization, explore the intricacies of tabular data, and provide you with a smart strategy that combines the art and science of visual communication. Join us on this journey to unlock the power of data visualization. Whether you are an experienced practitioner seeking to refine your skills or a novice eager to explore the world of data visualization, Smart Strategy for Tabular Data Visualization will empower you to make data come alive, tell meaningful stories, and drive positive change in your respective domains. Now have a look on the video describing the Smart Strategy for Data Visualizations. Thank you very much. Keep visiting Statistical Observatory.